Green Lake, Wisconsin. We've been here for a day before, but now we've been here for a season. It's true what they say, Green Lake, Wisconsin, the good life. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Maureen.
I'm Gary.
And we are in Green Lake, Wisconsin. If you've been following our channel, you know that Gary and I live in a 180 square foot fifth wheel full-time. And Gary is a retired pastor who fills in vacancies from time to time. And right now we are in Green Lake doing that. And our time is coming to an end. We're in October, and we will be leaving on October 20th. So before we leave town, we wanted to tell you a little bit about it.
First of all, we wanted to show you our backyard and our front yard. So we're out here at our picnic table,
right,
enjoying a sunny day.
Yeah, there's a park behind us where all kinds of events have taken place since we've been here. They had a Harvest Fest, they had a lot of crafters, they had chili cook-off, state championship chili cook-off was here, and all kinds of, they have an art fair. They have lots of things going on here in the spring, summer, and fall. Green Lake is a small community of about 1,000 full-time residents. In the spring, summer, and fall, it multiplies quite a bit. There's a lot of cottages, cabins, and condos here that people from all over. We've met people from Pennsylvania and Colorado who have homes here, seasonal homes. So, what's the big deal? The lake itself is the largest natural inland lake in Wisconsin, and it is about 236 feet deep in the deepest part, and it takes up over 7,900 acres. So this is just a small part of the lake, and we'll show you some other scenes from some other angles since we've been here. Gary started here at the church on August 11th, and we were in the area by his mom's in Montello for the first part, and then he was commuting, and then we moved over here after Labor Day. So we've only been here just a little over a month, really, but it seems like longer in some ways because there's been so much to see and do, and we've just really been enjoying it. It's very, very peaceful here, and we'll show you around town. We'll show you some of the festivals. We'll show you some of the highlights of some of the things we've been able to do. Been a lot of rain.
All summer into fall, and just seems like we get a couple dry days, do a couple of projects, maybe get out and take a walk around town. Yeah. And tried even to go out and walk in the woods and along the lake, but it was too wet. Most of the time, yeah. So we did get rained on that day.
Yes. We did get on one trail and it started raining as we were coming off of it. So it was kind of a misty day before that. So we really haven't had a lot of chances to do that, but there are some wonderful walking trails around here and places to go. So do check that out if you ever come here. And if not, just enjoy walking around town like we have, because there's so many nice places to it's just a nice community to walk around, and we always end up meeting somebody to talk to. So that's been cool. So now Gary's just been taking advantage of the few dry days we do have, and he's been working on some projects on our house.
Getting ready to move out.
Yep.
Soon.
So that everything will be ready to go. So we'll show you around Green Lake. Gary's doing some more sprucing here.
Haven't done this before.
Yeah.
This part.
This is the hitch that goes in the truck, and this is the first in 2 years that we've had it that Gary is doing a lot of maintenance on it here. He's done a few things, but now he's going to clean it up, get it nice and clean. You're wiping it down with rubbing alcohol.
Yep.
And then you're going to spray paint it.
Yes, I've got some black.
So he's going to paint it black, and you know, it's not just to make it look better, which is always nice, but it's also to just keep it from getting rusty and everything. So it's maintenance. More maintenance. Whoever invented spray paint. We use a lot of it on a lot of projects. This is the underbelly of our house. It's like a fabric, and if you can see where it was taped, that's where Gary had to cut slits in it to get the insulation out, so that could all dry out when we had the leak, the water leak with the fresh water tank, when that spigot broke. Yeah, I'll put a link to that video up above. But anyway, today Gary is going to replace the insulation somehow. So he got a roll of this. It's 3.5 inches thick. We're pretty sure that's what we had before. It's going to cover 40 square feet. Well, that should be plenty. We live in 180 and he's only doing one part of the RVs. Okay.
So you can see I still got a bit of a hole here.
Uh-huh.
So I made this cut deeper or longer, could slip the padding inside underneath here and have it long enough so it fill in the gap here, wide enough. And then when I got it all stuffed inside, then put the tape back on, and I got to finish this up and do the same over here. Got that open.
Okay.
And hopefully the tape will work for as long as we need it to.
What kind of tape is this? Is Gorilla tape, right?
That's Gorilla tape. This is underbelly tape here.
I've
got some more, but I don't know where it is.
So we might have to buy some underbelly tape to go over the Gorilla tape. Well, that should really hold.
Yeah. Well, the Gorilla tape is actually thicker than the underbelly stuff, so it might
maybe be better.
This is, it'll work.
Okay.
It'll be better than it was.
Definitely. And warmer. So what you doing up there, dear?
I'm trying to patch a patch.
Trying to patch a patch?
Yes. Just in case it should start leaking sometime. That way it'll have a patch over it before it starts.
Sure. Whatever you say. If you enjoyed going around Green Lake with us, we're going to be leaving here in about a week and a half. That's all we've got left, and we don't know where we're going next.
South. Warmer. Yep.
We don't know for sure, but yes, probably someplace warmer and drier, because we do have some projects we still have to do on the RV that we haven't been able to do because it's been too wet. So yeah, we'll find out soon. If you subscribe below by clicking on that red button down there, just click on that thing. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. And next to it is a little bell. When the bell comes up, ring on that, and then you will get notified every time the videos come up. You only have to do it once. And then check out our Facebook page, Roads of Faith, and keep up with us, travel with us. Until next time, God bless.